Wait, what is that?
Looks like someone's making a movie.
Nope. That's a drone scanning the entire building, capturing every angle to create a complete digital twin. And this is Anthony. While the drone captures reality, he's connected to the iFieldSmart dashboard, syncing every scan into one intelligent digital model. So instead of just looking at a building, you can inspect it, measure it, monitor it, and manage it digitally. This isn't just drone footage. It's the future of building intelligence, powered by iFieldSmart AI.